I have always struggled with hair loss, but it has never been this bad. Every time I brush my hair, it comes back full. I've always had bald spots at the front of my head, and if you look at my part, there is a lot of hair thinning. And the simple solution everyone keeps telling me is to just have a side part. But I can't do that as well because I have a lot of broken and damaged hair underneath. And honestly, I think it makes the bald spot even worse. It's gotten to the point where I cannot ignore it anymore and I have to fix it. So I'm going to show you the simplest way you can cure your hair fall. You're going to start by boiling some water in a saucepan. To that, you're going to add an onion, a couple of cloves of garlic, and some rosemary. It can be both dried or fresh rosemary. I had dried, so I'm just going to use that. Boil this for 20 minutes and then strain everything out. I had a very small strainer, so I had to take out the big chunks first. But then you're just going to strain it out into a cup or a mason jar and just let it cool down. Once it cools down, you're going to put it in a spray bottle. I'm just using an empty rose water bottle and I filled it up. So this is how I use it. You're going to apply this on your scalp and especially in the areas where you're getting the balding. I just make sections and spray and make sure you feel it on your scalp. Once you get the front part, I like to clip my hair up so I can get the back. Now that I've applied it all over my scalp, I'm going to go in with my fingers and massage my scalp. Whenever you're massaging, make sure that you're massaging with your fingertips and not your nails. So just go in gently and make sure your nails are not damaging your hair. And I just do this for 2 or 3 minutes. A lot of days I don't feel like massaging my scalp with my fingers, so I just go in with a scalp massager. I got this literally from the dollar store and you just put it in and... Or you can get an electric one and use that. I'll put the link for this in the description box. Now, making this spray or using these massagers is not going to stop your hair fall because you actually have to use these things and only then is it going to stop. If you think that you're going to make this spray and use it once a month, it's not going to help. Using it once a month, once a week is not really going to do it because the more hair fall you have, the more you need to use it. Use it every single day if you can. Use it multiple times a day if you can. But if you cannot, because I know I used to go to school, I have to go out, I cannot go out smelling like onions. So what I would recommend is on the days when you're washing your hair, use it a couple of times before washing. So 2 or 3 hours before you're going to wash your hair, apply it, hour later, apply it again, hour later, apply it again, and then wash your hair. And then on the weekend when you're not going out, you're not meeting anyone, apply it all day long. Apply it 2 or 3 times a day and don't wash it out. The more it stays in your hair, the more you apply it, the more your hair fall is going to stop. And then after a couple of months of using it, it is going to stop your hair fall and then you can reduce the amount of times you use it. Then you don't have to use it every single day. Use it a couple of times a week. Use it once a week. Just use it on the weekend. You can slowly reduce the amount as your hair fall goes out. And lastly, the most important thing to remember is that hair thinning and balding is completely normal. It can happen with hormones, genetics, water, products, heating, styling, literally everything can cause balding and hair thinning, so it's nothing to be embarrassed about. I have always struggled with it, so I have my family telling me about it, my friends, I get comments about it oh, you're balding. That is nothing to be embarrassed about. The only thing you can do is try to fix it, and I'm going to show you the easiest ways you can fix it. It is going to take a little bit effort, but I promise you it is fixable. I used to have a face full of acne and it took me 10 years, but I have managed to clear it. So you don't have to stress about it, you don't have to be embarrassed, you can just try to fix it. And I will try my best to help you with that. So that was it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, give me a like. Also comment below and let me know if you have any questions about the recipe or how to use it. You can comment all of them and I will try my best to reply to all of them. Follow me on my social medias, they're at Ellen Fox, and yeah, that is it. I'm the only Ellen Fox in this world, and I want you to remember, bald baddies are still baddies. I love you so much, and I'll catch you in the next video. So bye!
Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter.